Okay, this is Tomahawk, Wisconsin. Date is 4/10/2011. I am weatherman on the National Weather Service, and we've just got issued a tornado warning. We have a big cell headed for Tomahawk, Wisconsin. Right now it's in Medford in Taylor County. As you can tell, I don't know if you can tell that well in the sky, but got some funky looking clouds. I think it's going to be weakness. I know exactly what to look for. I'm not seeing much, just funky looking bubbly clouds. So one is just right about there. Tell it's getting kind of dark over there. But these clouds actually form tornadoes, so it's kind of good to keep an eye on them. I'm kind of scared, but baby's safe, cats are in the carrier, and parents are home. And it's looking kind of creepy out, but I'm going to stay calm. It's going to be like year 2001. Everything's going to be weak. This is what I live for. Weather.